Fix and flip or buy and hold. This particular property was a buy and hold. And let me tell you what these investors did on this property. Bought it a few years ago, came in, the home needed a ton of work, so they got a great deal on it. They came in and fixed the foundation, polished out these concrete floors, ended up doing a full remodel on the kitchen, both bathrooms, new light fixtures, new hardware, new doors, and really jazz this thing up. Now, the other thing that they wanted to do is they wanted to go the furnished route versus the unfurnished route. Couple different options that you can do in a situation like that, but their goal was to get a little bit more daily rent on it when they did Airbnbs, or when they got a furnished long-term tenant, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 months. They're one of the only shows in town. So they came and furnished the property. We're getting about $3,800 a month in rent in a market that was only really demanding somewhere between $2,300 and $2,500. So yes, they covered some of the expenses and a few other things, but getting that extra income really put them at a good positive cash flow position. Now let's fast forward. Here we are today, and they're in a slower market, but still able to sell their property and be profitable. Let's walk through and check out some of the remodel.